Here are the top meal prep tips I bet you've never thought of. You don't need to eat the same thing multiple days in a row. If you make something on Monday or Tuesday, you can wait to eat it until Thursday or Friday, and that way the time in between helps you keep from getting burnt out on repeated meals. Delete the food delivery apps from your phone. If we always have Uber Eats or Grubhub right at our fingertips, our brain is probably going to choose that convenient option over cooking that night or even eating something that we already have prepped. You can always re-download the apps, but if it takes an extra 60 seconds to re-download it and log back in, that might be just enough of a small barrier to help yourself not make that snap decision and cook something or eat something that you have at home instead. Purchase with a purpose, especially with fresh ingredients. I don't know about you, but if I go to the grocery store and I think, ooh, this dragon fruit looks good, maybe I'll use it in my breakfast this week, and I don't actually plan what I'm going to do with it, it sits in my fridge, it goes to waste because I end up throwing it out. So not only does that waste food, it wastes money, and it just clogs up honestly good real estate in your refrigerator, so it can be overwhelming to see all this food that you don't know what you're doing with, and that decision fatigue ends up leading to us not wanting to cook or meal plan. So not that you need to plan every single thing that you're cooking for the week, but purchase with a purpose, especially when it comes to fresh ingredients that you're keeping in your fridge. Were these tips helpful to you? Follow for more.